In this video, I will be explaining you about three processes: diffusion, osmosis and active transport. Actually, the molecules, they move from one place to another by these three processes. What is diffusion? Diffusion is a process by which molecules, they move from higher concentration to lower concentration. Now, what is this higher concentration? Higher concentration means where the molecules are more in number. That place is called higher concentration. And they will start moving from that place where they are more in number to the place where they are less in number. So, diffusion is a process of movement of molecules from a place of or a region of higher concentration to lower concentration. For example, there are many examples in everyday life. First example is, if we put a drop of ink in water, the ink will spread throughout the water. The ink molecules will spread from the zone of higher concentration until they are distributed evenly throughout the water. Similarly, another example is, when we open a bottle of perfume in one corner of a room, the scent will spread throughout the room. This is another example of diffusion. Diffusion can take place in solid, liquid or gas. In first example, where I told you that we are pouring few drops of ink in water. So, diffusion of liquid in liquid will take place. In second example, the vapors of perfume, that means gas. So, these gas molecules, they will spread, and you all know that gas molecules, they move very fast. So, the scent or the smell of that perfume will spread throughout the room. So, these are two examples of diffusion. Now, how is this diffusion important in plants? First importance is, the process of diffusion helps in gaseous exchange with the atmosphere. You know, plants, they need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis and they need to release oxygen into the atmosphere. That means exchange of gases take place by the process of diffusion. Secondly, plants also release water vapor by the process of transpiration through stomata. So, this process, transpiration, also takes place by the process of diffusion. Coming to second process, that is osmosis. Now, what is osmosis and how it is different from diffusion? So, children, I told you diffusion is the movement of molecule from higher concentration to lower concentration. So, osmosis, the definition will also be almost the same, but osmosis is movement of water molecules. See, in diffusion, any type of molecules can move. In osmosis, the movement of water molecule, water means solvent molecule, will take place from a region of higher concentration to lower concentration, but there is a semi-permeable membrane also. Means, in osmosis, the water molecules will move from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration, and there will be a semi-permeable membrane. For example, in plants, cell membrane will act as semi-permeable membrane. So, this is osmosis. Means that there is a semi-permeable membrane through which the movement of molecule will take place. Third very important process, active transport. What is active transport? Now see, in these two processes, there is no utilization of energy. But active transport is the movement of minerals. You know, gases will move by diffusion, water will move inside by osmosis, but plants, they also need minerals. So, mineral salts which are present in the soil, they will move from lower concentration. Lower concentration, why? Because these minerals are in more amount inside the roots and they are in less amount in surrounding the soil. They are already present inside the roots. So, these minerals, they will move from lower concentration to higher concentration and using energy. And this energy will be provided from ATP molecules. ATP, you should know this expanded form also, adenosine triphosphate. So, in active transport, energy will be utilized and molecules of salts or minerals will move from lower concentration, that means from outside to inside higher concentration, utilizing energy. So these are three different types of processes of movement of molecules.